Hi, this is Kannan. I'm an HR professional. I was searching for a new platform to study the scope of marketing and also HR. So I found this Anthony Sir 1 hour session from FB saying that you can also become a good marketer within 21 days. And it was so nice session of Anthony Sir, and I joined there in this Alpha Marketer for 21 days of starter of the marketing. So I doubt so many things like this timing of the class, daily basis, or any other timing is there, and also some other doubts like how the live class is there, or uh, I'm not a technical person too, so how I can able to make a website or something like. So it is a the Anthony sir is having 12 years of experience in marketing side, so all the notes are of his experience only, 12 years of experience. So each and every day is having some sessions in video, like all the notes are prepared in a capsule. It's a understand way of teaching. It's a talking of Anthony sir is so nice and very understand. Each and every topic is very clear with the video, how to do, how to make this kind of things in done like that. So practical task is there, more than six, like practical task and also assignments is there, and we have to do entire thing in this assignment and also this practical. So we'll be having a lot of experience, lot of practical way only we can understand the way and the scope of marketing. So I understood a lot of things like how to make a website. Before I joined, I could not able to understand. I don't know how a website is making. So I made so many website for my educational purpose and also my business purpose. So I am an HR, so I can able to contribute a lot of things of marketing tools to make my dream come to happen. So it is a very nice this platform. Alpha Marketer is a platform for studying entire thing in marketing field, like this SMS marketing, how is email marketing, sending like FB marketing, Google marketing, such kind of various marketing field we can study from this Alpha Marketer. And also Anthony sir is having 12 years of experience, and a team from Alpha Marketing is there to help us if any trouble is there. And also there is a live session of video call taken by Anthony sir on every Wednesday of every week. So whatever the doubt is there means we can clarify. If any stuck is there in our studies, we can say there is a live video call is there, and all the notes are video recorded, and we can go through at any time. At any time we can go through, and some questions are there, we have to answer that question, and then only the next session will be starting. So it is a very good capsule, and it's a very good platform for everyone who is interested to study this marketing area. And we can study more higher from this alpha, and some dedicated people will be handed over to us for getting interaction daily basis and clarify our doubts and all. And it's a good platform. I wish entire people who want to study this marketing area, means marketing tools and all, they can come and join with alpha. And it's a very good platform. I again and again I am saying that it's a well equipped and well capsuled scheduled notes are there, and we can simply study, and we can make a expert within 21 days. It is the promise which is giving from Alpha, and it's a very good this marketing academy, online studies. Like I visited two or three online courses in the first session. They are free sessions are there, what they are doing, like capsule notes and all they are saying. And I'm not interested because the fee structure and the entire thing is very huge. And so I dropped that one. And after 21 of this learning marketing, so after completing that thing, we are getting one certificate. So the amount also will be getting back this fee and all. So it's very happy to say that my life is changing, and I'll be changing through these studies, and lot of things above than this scheduled this notes. He's saying so many tips for working more and more. So it is a very good thing and motivating also for studying a lot of things from Alpha in so I recommended each and everything to come and join with Alpha and study well. Thank you all.